Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a 10 by 10 canvas that I'm just going to do a ring pour on, but I'm going to be using milk paint, and my milk paint today is a navy milk paint, and I will explain how I mixed that up. It's a new recipe, and you take 1 part milk paint, 1 part house paint, but I didn't want to use white house paint because I wanted it to stay the navy color and not lighten it all. So what I did is I used 1 part of acrylic navy paint that I had and mixed it with the navy milk paint. And I will show you that navy milk paint. It's made by Rust-Oleum. And so that's what the 1 part is, and then 1 part navy acrylic paint. And then you mix 2 parts Floetrol. And then the last component is a mixture of 3 parts Elmer's glue all and 1 part water. You mix that up, and then you would add only a 1/2 part of that glue mixture to the other 3 components. And I will put this recipe in my description underneath the video. And let's go over my other paints. I have just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I'm using a color shift paint today, FolkArt. It's called Pink Flash. And the last, let's see, I have Artist Loft Silver. And then I have a purple and a lilac color that I mixed up from Blick paints and added white to get this lilac color, and just Blick purple for that. Pouring medium for all the other paints except for the milk paint is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, a little squirt of GAC 800 was added to all the paints except for the milk paint, and no silicone was used today. So as you can see, I have put a little layer of the milk paint around the canvas here to help the paint flow. And let's just get started. I have a little cup here, and I think I'll start with white. This little canvas will not require that much paint. But I really did want to use these colors. I think they're very pretty. Okay, I think that'll do it for the paints. And let's get started with just making my ring pour here. I probably will be running a lot of this paint off of the canvas. Okay. And I'm going to take and put some of this milk paint around my other paint here before I start tipping. Maybe injecting it a little bit here and there also. Okay. And I think I will torch before I start to tip. And I think I just will add a little bit more color in here with this color shift paint. It's easier to add it before you start your tipping. And I have a little bit of this silver left here. I'll just add a little bit here and there of that too. Okay. Let's see what happens when we tip. I'm going to bring that back down in the middle. And again, I just want this paint to move quite a bit here. Okay, let's bring that back to the middle. And I think I am going to tip some off of this far corner right away. And bring it back. Okay, I'm going to take a look at it. Check my sides here. And the corners. I'm pretty happy with the composition of this. I'm going to take a skewer and just run it through here a little bit. Just to break that up a little bit. Just this area here again. There, like that a little better. And I think I'll torch again. What I like about this is the silver really did stay to the surface here, which is really nice. Okay, I'm going to clean off the bottom. Just an easy little 10 by 10 here today. I think those colors all really go well together. Okay. I think I'll bring you down for a close-up here. Okay, I have the upper left-hand corner here. Down to the lower left-hand corner. And we'll go up the middle here. This is the upper right-hand corner. I just like the shadow of that color shift paint there. Very pretty. And the silver, I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully a little bit here. The silver does come through and it's very pretty with the lilac and the purple streak in there. Very pretty. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to ring the bell so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.